Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that uses cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. These currencies are created and managed on the blockchain technology platform. History of cryptocurrency. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by an individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin, as the first decentralized cryptocurrency, revolutionized the global monetary system. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrency. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions permanently and immutably. Each block contains several transactions and is linked to the previous block, forming a chain. This technology provides high security and transparency. Advantages of cryptocurrency. Decentralization. No single entity or government has full control over cryptocurrencies. Security. Advanced cryptographic techniques ensure the high security of transactions. Transparency. All transactions on the blockchain are publicly visible. Lower fees. Transaction costs are generally lower than traditional banking systems. Challenges and problems of cryptocurrency. Price volatility. The prices of cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. Regulations. Some countries impose restrictions and regulations on the use of cryptocurrencies. Security. Despite the high security of the blockchain, wallets and cryptocurrency exchanges can be targets of cyber attacks. Uses of cryptocurrency investment. Many people buy cryptocurrencies as a long-term investment tool. Payments. Some companies and stores accept cryptocurrencies as a payment method. Money transfer. Cryptocurrencies can be used for quick and cheap money transfers worldwide. The future of cryptocurrency. The future of cryptocurrencies is still uncertain, but many experts believe that this technology could bring significant changes to the global financial system. With the development of technologies and the increasing acceptance of cryptocurrencies by the general public and businesses, this market is rapidly growing and expanding.